New to the StrawSip Flip Bottle? Here's everything you need to know to get started. Before your first use, we recommend hand washing all components. Once clean, make sure your bottle is properly assembled. The StrawSip connector and StrawSip boot must be properly fitted in place for the best sipping experience. Start by adding water, and ice if you prefer. Keep ice levels moderate. Too much ice can overflow your bottle or slow down water flow while sipping. To add a sip cartridge, twist on your lid and lift the handle to unlock. Press the button on the back of the bottle to flip the lid open. Now, fasten on a sip cartridge and be sure to bend the sip cap back into the lid to keep it out of the way while sipping. With StrawSip technology, you might find that you need to turn up the flavor dial to get the same amount of flavors as our standard bottles. Don't worry, your sip will last just as long. Just trust your taste buds. Go ahead and take a couple of sips to start. The first few pulls might be dry while the water gets pulled up, but keep sipping for smooth, refreshing hydration. When you're done, close the sip cap before shutting the bottle lid to prevent drips. For more bottles, sip flavors, and accessories, visit drinkcirkul.com.